Hi everyone, my name is Bernie Akpore, co-founder of MaTontine. MaTontine provides access to small loans and a range of financial services like micro-insurance, micro-health insurance to the financially excluded in Francophone Africa. But let me introduce you to Awa and her group. And I'd like to tell you our story through their eyes. Because they don't live near a big city, getting access to small loans like $100 is very expensive and really difficult. But there are these magical things in Africa called tontines. And here's how they work. Women save and they lend to each other collectively. And they've done it for over a century, right? And this is how they've set up the businesses. It's how they've sent the children to school. It's how they bought seeds for the farms. But what is the big problem we're trying to solve? The big problem we're trying to solve is how do you lend $100 at scale and profitably to millions of Africans? Because the banks and the microfinance institutions simply cannot do this with a cost structure. So the way we solve this problem is we use mobile phones and mobile money to digitize that African system, thereby reducing the cost of borrowing by 75% or more. So let me show you how it works on the platform. Awa will her group come onto the platform and they register themselves. They choose what services they would like, insurance, loans, and then also how they want to save the money and disperse the money. And then the system handles everything and provides the loans, the services, disperses the money at the right time, and so on. I'm a co-founder, and my other co-founder is my sister. She's a doctor and an entrepreneur, but also an expert in last mile distribution. We have a team of 12 people in Senegal who currently implement the solution on the ground. And then we have an international board with experts in technology, consumer marketing, and so on. The size of the market is enormous. 85% of Francophone Africa is financially excluded. That's 100 million people, $20 billion in value. But the most important thing is they all do tontines. It's very competitive out there, but what differentiates us from everybody else is that we don't just do loans, but we provide a range of financial services, all via a basic phone. And that's really, really important because for our target group, women living under $5 a day, only 5% of them have access to a smartphone. How we make money is pretty simple. We generate revenues from commissions from our partners who offer the services, like loans, to our members on our platform. That's the big number we're going for, 1 million women on our platform in 5 years' time. What have we done today? Today, we have 1,000 people on the platform to whom we've lent $130,000 with a 1% default rate. But really, really importantly for us, we signed a contract with one of the leading financial institutions in our region to use our platform to lend to 50,000 people. We're looking to be EBITDA positive by 2021, fully profitable by 2022, where we're going to be in 5 countries and a gross margin of 70%. We're currently fundraising $750,000 in convertible debt. It will enable us to expand our business in Côte d'Ivoire, Senegal, and serve those 50,000 people. What does our future look like? We want to nail it in Senegal, scale it in Francophone Africa, and grow by acquisition throughout Africa. So what about Awa that I told you about before? As you can see from the snazzy clothes, they're well on the way out of poverty. Today, they save regularly, have access to affordable loans, micro health insurance if they get sick, all from a basic phone. MaTontine, we want to change the way we do microfinance. Thank you very much.
Very nice. Amazing.